Hi everyone, today my milk got spoiled and it curdled, so I decided to make some homemade cheese spread which turned out so very creamy and amazing to taste with added garlic and herb flavors just like the store-bought ones. So friends, let's get started with this quick, easy and yummy cheese spread recipe which can be used to prepare sandwiches, wraps, rolls and even burgers. So as you can see, the milk has curdled as I was boiling it in the morning. And now I will strain the whey and collect the cheddar or fresh cheese in a cheesecloth. And after resting for 2 hours, our cheddar or cottage cheese is ready to prepare the cheese spread. For that, we'll transfer the cheddar into a mixer jar and gently break them into smaller portions with the help of a spoon. For seasoning, we'll add some salt as per taste. Then this is garlic bread seasoning which has got dried garlic, onion, oregano and chives. We'll be adding around 1 tablespoon of it, which will greatly enhance the flavor of our cheese spread. And to give a market-like flavor and texture, I'll be adding 1 cheese cube cut into smaller cubes like this. And finally, I will add 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh cream which will help to blend the cheese spread into a creamy consistency. We'll close the lid now. Let's check this now. And our creamy cheese spread is ready, infused with garlic and herb flavor. We'll transfer the cheese spread into a glass container. We'll spread it evenly with the spoon and we'll gently tap once or twice. We'll close the lid and now we need to refrigerate it for at least 2 to 3 hours so that the cheese spread sets well. After 3 hours, we'll check the cheese spread. And as you can see, our cheese spread is well set. And friends, I'm going to enjoy my creamy garlic and herb cheese spread on a slice of bread. And this cheese spread can be enjoyed not just in sandwiches but also while making wraps, rolls and burgers or as a dip with snacks. So friends, I hope you will try this healthy and yummy homemade cheese spread recipe. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.